Scratch Cat Error, Part 2. Look at this, I'm now frowned at you for turning off your computer 10 times. Also, the background has changed to magenta. PLS, don't make me annoyed for 10 times more.
You know what? I can't believe I'm doing this with this stupid cat.
Chances 189, and one more turn off, then times will reduce to 65 hours.
You know what? I'm gonna change the chances to 9,000. There we go. Bro, why is it not working? This stupid cat!
Don't call me stupid, and changing the chances counts as a turn off. You have 188 chances left.
Or whatever, Scratch Cat.
The timer will reduce if you do it again.
I don't care, bro. Look at this cat right there. Look at this cat. Can someone explain what this cat is? And is it copied? Whatever. I'm still keep turning it off.
The timer will reduce to 60 hours. If you do it 6 times more, then I will be annoyed at you. Do not make me do it.
Okay. And you know what? I got something to tell you.
Alright, what is it?
You are a dumb cat. What? Are you kidding me? You took away a chance for doing that? Bro, Scratch Cat, you are really going to go insane in a second.
How dare you say that to me? That counts as a turn off. You have 185 chances left.
Scratch Cat, what if I brought a friend to me and help me out with the next 10 chances? What about that? What are you gonna do about it? Nothing. So, I'm gonna keep turning it off.
Chances 185.
I meant to say 4, but... Oh, okay.
Chances 183. Chances 182. If you turn off the computer one more time, then I will be annoyed at you. The background will change to purple. You are making me mad.
Annoyed? What's the difference? You gonna yell at me or something? I'm gonna turn it off and see what it looks like. Well, I'm gonna just turn it off. Buffy is coming your way.